In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Excel to Wrike step by step. If you're managing projects and want to consolidate your data within Wrike, this guide will walk you through the entire process with clarity and ease. Let's dive right in. First, ensure that you're logged into your Wrike account and have access to the project management tools within Wrike. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with your Wrike workspace before starting. This will make the entire process smoother and more straightforward. Start by navigating over to the Kanban project management section within your Wrike dashboard. This section helps visualize tasks in a highly intuitive manner, making it an ideal starting point for managing your data. Next, you're going to click on the area that you want to highlight. This could refer to a specific task or set of tasks you want to export data from. Being clear about what you wish to export will save you time and help in avoiding any confusion down the line. Take a moment to double check that you're working within the right sections to export the precise data you need. Once you've highlighted the desired area, move on by clicking on a task. By doing this, you're focusing on the specific task details you might need to view or export later on. Remember, this step is instrumental in ensuring that you're capturing and exporting exactly what's necessary for your project's needs. Doing this, you ensure that all relevant information is included once you proceed to export. Proceeding to the next step, click on the highlighted area again. This may seem repetitive, but it further ensures that the correct data is selected and ready for export. When working with large sets of data, mistakes can occur easily, so these redundancy checks help maintain data integrity and prevent sending incomplete or incorrect data. Finally, click on Export this table to Excel. This is where all your effort in selecting and highlighting the correct areas pays off. This feature will allow you to export all your selected data efficiently into an Excel file. This step is pivotal because it allows you to transfer Wrike data for deeper analysis, reporting, or further manipulation within Excel, giving you the flexibility needed for comprehensive project management. And there you have it. You've successfully exported data from Excel to Wrike. Remember, mastering this process will enhance your data management skills and streamline your project management tasks. Keep practicing, and soon exporting this data will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy exporting!